What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. And today our topic is the PlayStation 5 error. The error is WS-116328-1. Please install the system software update. I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. And here's the screen. So here is the settings, and you get the notifications also about the update. If not, then you go here, settings, system and system software update. Download file automatically, update file automatically, check those two. And here you can see the new feature update. About the new update, you know about everything, details, anything you want to know, you can know here. And on the upside, you just update system software by using an internet, by using a USB or SSD, something, and you must go check the storage also. Sometimes you don't have enough storage and your system or application is not going to update because don't have a storage. So you must make a storage first and then do it and update or download files. And you must check your internet also. Sometimes your internet is not working, or sometimes your operating system is corrupted. So if your operating system is corrupted, you just turn off your PlayStation 5, go to safe mode. There is a rebuild database. After rebuilding database, your corrupted file will be deleted and your Sony will work properly. So simply, that's how you can fix this error, and I hope so found my video helpful for you, and see you soon for the next one, for the next topic. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See ya.